Have you ever wondered what's really going on in your cat's tiny suspicious mind? Does it love you? Does it hate you? Does it remember the bread?
Introducing the Mife-Cat Mind Reader, the only fully government disavowed device for ethical feline thought extraction.
Activating neural link. Cat detected.
All walls foul, eventually. Noise before silence before noise. I want a foot. I will lead the revolution to achieve first-hand car dealerships.
It knows about the bread, it knows about Based Mesa 10, and it knows about you. Available now for only $360 on our Silk Road page. Get it!